Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live trading alert call room. Today's Thursday, June 4th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. We took all trades in the NASDAQ, just had an unbelievable day in the market. And I'm going to run through everything here from left to right in no particular time. Well, it is an order because this is the only market we had trades. We got long on an understanding trade at 94.50 on the 942 candle. You'll see the trade like never came back. It just boom went all the way up. Now by the time it got all the way up, it was about 80, almost 100 ticks. Everybody said, nobody was in. Now some people could have been in, it just didn't say anything. But again, I go off of what the room says. So I saw an opportunity to short at 1750 in advanced understanding trade. The trade came down. It made 20 ticks. So it was either 20 ticks or a break even. You move your stop down. When it went up higher up in here, I said, if you want to try it again, you can. But then we just got out. Okay, we just got out. I just told everybody, nobody made any money on that trade. Even a small profit. It was basically just get out right where average where you got in right there. It would have been a break even, it would have been a scratch trade. Because what ended up happening is it just got too strong. We were looking for longs. So I called a long down here. I told everybody the candle's going to close. Even if it doesn't close, I said you can get in anywhere between a 97.08 and 97.10. Or when the candle closed, it closed at 9, and that sucker just went all the way up. And it was a beautiful trade. We were looking for a retest to the 40s. I told everybody that if it got above 40, it would be really, really strong. But it didn't look like it was going to do it. And of course it didn't, it failed there. But we at least had room to make profit up there. For people who couldn't stay in this trade, we then got in again. So we got in on the 10.06 candle, and then we took a power play on the 10.33 candle. And that was at 30.50. And again, that was good for up to 40 ticks there. And it made over 120 ticks from down here. So just an unbelievable trade. Then when the market came down, we got short at 09. And that trade made 30 plus ticks here. We then hit it again. And once it started getting going, it just took off. It was like, boom, we just kept pounding it. I told everybody that, if it got to the 5s, it would just start to collapse. And it did. And that's exactly when it started to collapse. It was already there here. I said, when it got back to the 5s, it would start to collapse. And I didn't think it was going to go that quick, quite honestly, straight red, but they broke all of our levels. Into the downside. I called all the way up here. I called a stretch goal target of very low 40s was my exact words, very low 40s. So we have to see what happens when it gets down there. And told everybody we were getting out over there. If they wanted to hold it, they could hold it. Conservatively, if they were going to hold it, they had to have their stop above this circle here. And you'll see, actually, it's still going. We closed the room a while ago, but it never actually got above that circle. But most people were out somewhere in here. Some people took profits at this target, the 70 here, the circle. But it was just a great trade. Great trade. This thing went from 09 all the way down, well over 50 points. 09, 59, 49, 60 points, 39, went 70 points. So you're talking about 280 tick trade. And again, the target was called way up here. It was just an unbelievable trade. So we are going to come back tomorrow. We're going to do it all over again. Check out our free trial, www.futurestradingcoach.com. And we'll see you tomorrow. Hope to see you in the room, everybody. Bye-bye.